Hi, thank you with me, Dior at channel Maison Network. So this Megra 4K 40-inch smart TV I just bought. So this is how to set up. So this is the remote control. It runs Android 9. Oh, can you see it? Okay. Good. Okay. It's in English. Let me zoom. Yeah. So we're in Malaysia. GMT8 Kuala Lumpur. Yes. Wi-Fi. Disconnect LAN. I have Wi-Fi. Okay. The trick is when like this, you can use this keyboard, but it will be troublesome. So I use this keyboard, which I bought in Shopee, 18 ringgit. So that's here. Just put it behind. USB port. Okay, and turn it on. There. Then you can go like this. I just set up for my Wi-Fi. There's a sound. Talk, talk. Okay, let me go back. It's connected. Down and skip. Start launcher, active start TV, start launcher. Just start launcher. Oh, okay. Oh, then you go complete. Oh, what? A. Okay. Why is it? Okay, this is launcher, smart TV, Megra 40K. Okay, what is this? Allow TV not to access photo media. Alright. You go allow. YouTube download. Okay. Oh, you have to download first. Like Samsung Smart TV, it's already there. Okay. Installing. It will take some time. So, okay, let's see how long is it will take. For the 19.49 MB has been installed successfully. Okay, open or uninstall. It's okay, back. Okay, this is the home. Let's try home, yeah. 1, 2, 3, home. That's it. And then set up. This is home, and then you go to video. Okay, music, sport, apps. But actually, it's just in front. But when you go click on it, you have to download it. Actually, I already run down my apps. Yeah. So TV mirror, iMirror, TV Store, TV. Okay, now just now I just download YouTube, right? So only one. The rest you have to add on. Then now let's go to, for the setup, let's go to this source. Can you see it? Yeah, source. There you go. There's ATV, which is analog, and then DVB-C, which I don't know which country. DVB-S, I'm not sure. DVB-T is Malaysian, and then there's AV, YP, BR, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3. So we get DVB-T. It's already built in, and also it's got TV signal optimizing. Where is it? Oh, my. Okay. Okay. Where is it? Okay. So before to the tuning, so I just bought this in Shopee. It's only RM4.90 for the antenna. So put it back. Okay, I'm not sure whether can capture or not. Now we go to country of origin, Malaysia, digital auto tuning, digital manual tuning, digital auto tuning. So we go on. Digital auto tuning. Do you want to start auto tuning? Okay. Number service pound 0. I'm adjusting the antenna. Can find. Yesterday I tried can find, but my antenna maybe yesterday so a bit stronger. Again, sorry, this time my antenna is not good, but I tried yesterday. It can detect. So you may try with your own antenna lah. So just exit. Okay, that's for the setup, and then whatever it is, you go to the setting. Actually, is there. So that's for whatever you want to search, and then this is the network connected, and then this is setting. So we go okay, setting, network setting just now already done. Time setting, automatic time setting just provided. Your time zone 24 hours. Yes. Daylight saving. Okay. Then we go to common. All is common. Language setting English, and then input method, key and keyboard. I press on. It's only one. Wallpaper manager. Oh, and wallpaper manage. Yeah. Oh, there you go. So you can choose which wallpaper you want. I choose this. Okay. Okay, done. Exit. Application manage. Install application. eShare server, Chrome, TV Store, iMirror, YouTube. Okay. and back, uninstall application. Okay, doesn't matter. And screensaver, yes, I put on, yes. Auto update, try. Checking for updates. Your device's software is currently up to date. There. Now it's still checking for updates. But just now it's already been decided your device's software is currently up to date. Checking for updates. It took time. It took time. Can we just back? Return? No. I press back. It took time. So long. Let's go home. Okay. Then after setting, weather. Okay, that's where the Kuala Lumpur update. Okay, alright. That's it. Back. Then we go to file. Okay, this is the for the USB play. If you put on USB, then you can play videos. And let's try the 4K video. The new USB device. Okay, photos. Let's go to this video itself. It's more interesting than SDA. This video. Okay, let's try the 4K video. I think it's that one. Dewdrops, yeah. Volume. It's clear, it's nice for the 4K resolution. No. Go. Is it automatically play? Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, stunning. Look at the color. It's not like very bright like Samsung or other TV. It's a bit dim, but it shows more of the resolution. Okay. Stop. I don't want this. Go back and let's try music. I will say about sound is actually like not good at all. The bass is it sounds like cheap. This is my music video. It's not 4K, sorry, but I just want to show you the sound. It sounds like in something in a box, then you trap it together. But you can change the go to the menu, I think. Size media, big size. What's the audio? There's option audio here.